In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, lived a curious and adventurous child named Arya. At just 8 years old, Arya had a boundless imagination and an insatiable curiosity about the world around her. Her favorite pastime was exploring the vast woods behind her home, where she pretended to be a fearless explorer on grand quests. One bright morning, Arya set out on a new adventure, with her trusty backpack filled with snacks, a magnifying glass, and her well-worn notebook. She ventured deeper into the forest than ever before. The trees grew taller and the air cooler as she navigated through the underbrush, her heart pounding with excitement. After hours of wandering, Arya stumbled upon something extraordinary. A large, ancient tree, unlike any she had seen before. Its trunk was immense, covered in a thick layer of moss and twisted vines. What caught her attention most was the small, intricately carved door at the base of the tree. With wide eyes, Arya approached the door, her mind racing with possibilities. Who could have made this? She wondered aloud, summoning her courage. Arya gently pushed the door open. To her amazement, it led into a tunnel illuminated by glowing crystals embedded in the walls. She stepped inside, her heart racing with a mix of fear and excitement. The tunnel was narrow but enchanting, with shimmering lights casting a magical glow. After what felt like an eternity, Arya emerged into a breathtaking underground cavern. The ceiling sparkled with countless crystals, reflecting light in a dazzling array of colors. In the center of the cavern stood a serene, crystal-clear lake. At the edge of the lake was a small, wooden chest, half buried in the sand. Arya approached the chest cautiously. It looked ancient, with intricate carvings depicting scenes of nature and animals. With trembling hands, she opened the chest and gasped. Inside, she found a collection of beautiful, hand-drawn maps and an old, leather-bound journal. The maps detailed the forest and its hidden wonders, while the journal chronicled the adventures of another explorer from long ago. As she leafed through the journal, Arya learned about the life of Alara, a daring explorer who had discovered the cavern many years before. Alara's entries were filled with tales of adventure, wisdom, and a deep love for nature. One entry, in particular, stood out to Arya. To whomever finds this journal, remember that the greatest treasures are not gold or jewels, but the discoveries we make about ourselves and the world around us. Inspired and awestruck, Aria decided to continue Alara's legacy. She carefully packed the maps and journal into her backpack and made her way back through the tunnel. Emerging from the ancient tree, she felt a renewed sense of purpose. Aria spent the following months exploring every corner of the forest, using Alara's maps to guide her. She discovered hidden waterfalls, secret meadows, and rare plants and animals. Each discovery was documented in her own journal, alongside sketches and notes. The little explorer's big discovery wasn't just the hidden cavern and its treasures. It was the realization that adventure and knowledge were all around her, waiting to be uncovered. Aria's journey taught her that curiosity and bravery could lead to the most unexpected and wondrous discoveries. And so, in the heart of the forest, a new legacy began. Aria, the little explorer, became a guardian of nature's secrets, ensuring that the magic and wonder of the forest would inspire future generations, just as Alara had inspired her.